Hi friends, this is your Dr. BP alias Dr. Bapuji Pullepu. Now we are going to do 7th problem in second tutorial, multiple integrals. Now you can see, find the smallest area bounded by y is equal to 2 minus x and x square plus y square 4. Okay, we are familiar. X square plus y square is equal to 4 means what? Circle actually. X square plus y square is equal to a square means radius is 2. 0, 0, 2. This equation is what? 4. Now what is telling? Y is equal to 2 minus x. X plus y is equal to 2. X plus y is equal to 2 means what? Now what is asking? Is asked to find the smallest area. So this area I want. This area. Now again whole story, you can draw either x constant or y constant. X constant draw means what? X limits traveling from where to where you can find out. Then y constant means y limits you can traveling from where to where you can find out. If we draw an x constant means like this, but x is equal to what? 0 to 2. X varies from what? 0 to 2. So 0 to 2 means what? Full quadrant. But when they come to the y means what? Y how it is going from line to circle, 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 line to circle. So line to circle means what? What is my equation? Y is equal to 2 minus x, 2. Y is equal to what? 4 minus x square. Understanding that? When I am walking on y axis, that is x axis, my x limit is what? 0 to 2. Up to this full infinite. But in terms of y means what? Line to circle, line to circle, line to circle, line to circle. Now do, you see already you are familiar. Yes, what? Dx dy or dy dx. Now 0 to 2, this is what? 2 minus x, 2 root of 4 minus x square dy dx. Now integrate, what you will get? Integral 0 to 2 y 2 minus x root of 4 minus x square dx. So 0 to 2, this part 4 minus x square minus of 2 minus x dx. Now again integrate, same thing, this a square minus x square, x by 2 into same thing, plus a square by 2 into sine inverse x by 2 minus of this. I will write as a linear form, 2 minus x whole square by 2, 1 minus I will get, this become plus 0 to 2. So this is what? Upper limit, lower limit come to vanish. So this is equal to 0. Here also upper limit vanish, lower limit only stands. Here also upper limit stands, lower limit vanish. So what I will get? Four by 2 means 2, sine inverse 1 is 5 by 2, their upper limit waste, lower limit only stands minus of what I will get 2 minus 0 whole square by 2, 4 by 2. Prime times 2. This is the answer. Any problem? Yes. 5 plus 2. Anywhere wrong mistake I done. Upper limit waste, lower limit is what? Minus 2 minus 0, 4 by 2. This 5 minus 2 correct only. Thank you for watching our channel. To be part of our service, kindly subscribe and inform to your friends. Bye.